In 2025, a major pipeline fire broke out in the Putra Heights area, causing widespread disruption to utilities and raising serious concern about public safety. This incident not only highlighted weaknesses in physical infrastructure but also exposed the critical importance of effective record management system in times of crisis. The scenario is presented as a hypothetical case study to illustrate how record management technology, particularly in the context of the BTM453 course, play a vital role in emergency preparedness and response. Without complete, accurate and accessible record, crucial information such as pipeline layouts, emergency procedures, and maintenance data cannot be retrieved in time, delay rescue effort and worsening the situation. This case clearly demonstrates that poor information management can escalate a crisis. Therefore, the integration of systematic and efficient record management technology is essential to ensuring public safety and operational continuity during disasters.
1 April 2025, satu tragedi besar berlaku di Putra Heights, Selangor apabila kebocoran gas asli pada saluran paip bawah tanah milik Petronas mencetuskan letupan dan kebakaran yang melibatkan kerosakan besar. Kebakaran ini mengakibatkan beberapa struktur rosak serta kecederaan kepada penduduk sekitar. Namun sejurus selepas kejadian tersebut, timbul penjelasan insiden ini berpunca daripada fenomena BLEVE, Boiling Liquid Expanding Vapor Explosion. Berdasarkan analisis yang lebih mendalam, kebakaran ini lebih menepati ciri-ciri Vapor Cloud Explosion VCE, bukan BLEVE.
At around 8 a.m., an underground gas pipeline operated by Petronas exploded in a residential area in Putra Heights. The explosion caused a massive fireball, almost 30 meters high, which burned for around 7 hours. A huge crater was created nearly 10 meters deep. Unfortunately, no one died, but more than 150 people were injured, most with burns. The shock was so powerful that it was felt up to 1.5 kilometers away. The emergency response was quick and large-scale. 112 firefighters from 11 different fire stations rushed to the scene with the 22 fire trucks. They managed to rescue 33 people trapped in their homes. Over 500 residents were evacuated to temporary shelters at mosques and community halls. The nearby Elite Highway was also closed due to safety concerns.
As for the damage summary, the explosion affected both on property and business. For the property, there are a total of 87 homes that were damaged during the incidents, and it wasn't just houses. About 400 vehicles got damaged too. All in all, we are looking at 80 million in total damage just from the explosion. Now, let's switch the gear and look at the impact business. There are a total of 200 factories that were affected, a total of 4 power plants that were disrupted. Moreover, due to the explosion, a temporary of gas shortage happened on the affected area.
Now, let's look at the solution proposed to improve overall operation and reduce risk. First, we introduce DAM, which is Digital Asset Management. This means organizing all digital files such as document, image, and report in one secure system. It helps us to prevent data loss, confusion, and makes it easy to access what we need and when we need it. Second one is centralized data. Instead of storing data in different places, we keep everything in one central, secure location. This saves time, reduces duplication, and improves teamwork because everyone has to access the same up-to-date information. The third one is predictive maintenance. We use technology to monitor equipment and system. This helps us detect early signs of failure and fix problems before the wrong was, starting costs and preventing downtime. The fourth one is fast emergency response. In the event of an emergency, we have system in the place to act quickly, whether it's alerting team, accessing important files, or starting recovery step. This helps us minimize damage and recover faster. Last but not least, automate reporting and compliance. Reports are automatically generated, saving time and reducing human error. It also ensures that we always meet government or industry regulation without missing any important step.
6. Easy tracking with metadata and version control. By using metadata and version control, we can track document change, avoid confusion, and always work with the latest file. 7. Quick information access. Staff can find the information they need immediately, which is very helpful during high-pressure situations like emergencies. 7. Support for fast investigation. All records are ready and organized, so if something goes wrong, investigation can be done quickly and efficiently. 9. Root cause identification. The system helps us trace issue back to their source, so we can understand what went wrong and prevent it from happening again. Last, process compliance. All steps and records follow the correct procedure, which protect the organization and improves trust and accountability.
In conclusion, the gas explosion incident at Putra Heights delivers a powerful lesson on the importance of having an efficient record management system and the right technologies in the place to manage safety risks. The failure to properly maintain and monitor gas-related record was one of the key factors that contributed to the severity of the incident. With the help of modern technologies such as LOT sensor, centralized digital records, and early warning system, risks like gas leaks can be detected much earlier and preventive action can be taken before disaster strikes. This not only enhances safety but also allows for faster, more informed decision making in critical situations. This real-world case proves that record management technology is not just a theoretical subject. It's a vital part of protecting life, minimizing damage, and helping organizations stay prepared for unexpected challenge. A fully digital and proactive approach to records management can make all the difference.